right, so we started the morning at IHOP in Meridian, Idaho, which is outside of Boise, basically. Well, not basically, it is. It's right outside of Boise. The radio is here, beaconing. I've picked up 2 or 3 stations so far this morning. Went dead last night about, so we were at that Yard House place last night having dinner and a couple of beers, and I was beaconing from there, but it kind of died around that time, so we took it back to the hotel. I plugged it in on the charger, let it charge overnight without beaconing. I didn't want to beacon from the hotel room. It is beaconing again today. We are hitting the road again, still driving east. We will cross into another state today. And then once we do that, somebody asked in the comments on the video yesterday, I really appreciate all the comments on the videos. I appreciate all the comments you guys are putting on the Facebook posts that I did to share this. And somebody asked in the comments yesterday, they were like, maybe this was even in Discord. Appreciate you guys being in my Discord channel as well. hamradio2.com/Discord is our Discord server. But somebody said, well, what if nobody finds you? And I'm like, well, after today, after this afternoon, we'll pretty much be in the same spot for the rest of the week during this trip. So if you can't find me when I'm sitting still, you'll be able to find me. So that's where we are today. So follow along. This has been fun. APRS is finally kind of picking up. We stopped at a truck stop to fill up with gas and whatnot on Interstate 84, eastbound, southbound, depending on what it's called at that point in time. And Mountain Home was picked up, and I heard the radio beeping, so I pulled up APRS.fi on the phone, took a couple of screenshots. So that's where we're headed. You can see us moving down the road, a little bit better than yesterday when we left, that you couldn't see us moving for the first 3 or 4 hours at all. But we're out here in the middle of nowhere, and for some reason, I'm having better luck with APRS out here in the flatlands than I was in the mountain ranges, which apparently have no digipeters or eye gates on top of those mountain ranges. So there we go. That's what Utah looks like right there. Part of it anyway. Oh, we're still in Idaho. That's right. We're still in Idaho. See, I don't know. We're going to Utah. I just let the cat out of the bag on that.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. But we've been on this same highway for a while, so. Yep. So there's Idaho. Yeah. What time did we leave? 2 hours ago? Yeah, about 2 hours ago, roughly. We were on the road almost 2 hours. Made a couple of stops, but there you go. We are stopped at a gas station here, and you know what? I don't even know what town this is. We're still in Idaho, and I've been getting a lot. This thing's been going crazy for the last little bit, but this is where we are right here. I got a couple of messages from people saying, hey, I see you, you're outside of Boise, and that was this morning. The message was from this morning. And we were traveling down Interstate 84, and that's where we are right now. But whatever town this is, I guess I could look on my map, but I haven't done that yet. Whatever town this is, quite a bit of APRS activity here as far as beaconing stations being heard and messages coming in. So I think we're getting close to it, to someone actually figuring out. I get messages from people saying, hey, I drove out to your location. I'm like, well, dude, we're moving. So, and it was moving. I was watching it move on the map earlier, so that was fun. So I am at the spot that I will be at for the rest of the week. I'm north of Salt Lake City. You guys saw me coming into Salt Lake City. Saw some beautiful scenery through the mountains up there. I spent the evening, we went to a local brew pub. I spent the evening listening to, watching the TO's live stream about setting up crossband connect for DMR, D-Star, Fusion and all that. So I'm listening to the Toad's DMR talk group right now. There's Arthur, W6HER. So he's on the All-Star system all the time. And we went out there and got a couple of brews, got some dinner and whatnot. And I am staying here tonight. So this was going to be the Buddy Pole new headquarters. They have this is the second story, and it was going to be built up. The warehouse is downstairs with all the shops and stuff. Bathroom in here. There's that small room back here to do, let guests stay and whatnot. This was going to be the Buddy Pole headquarters. And he found a better place. So he's got this place for a short period of time, and then he's going to give it up, and he's moving to the other place. The other place he gets keys to tomorrow. And we're going to do some videos there this week. I'll be staying here, but I'll be floating around town between 2 or 3 cities in the area for the rest of the week. We're probably going to do some unloading of the stuff. I came to help him move. He's moving. We're gonna do a whole video about his new location sometime this week. We're gonna go do, so I'm gonna help him unload all the stuff we brought from Portland, which is in the trailer downstairs. We're gonna unload all that tomorrow. We're gonna go in south of here and visit some really cool places. I'm gonna leave that up in the air. I'm not gonna say what that is until tomorrow. Probably on Wednesday, 2 days from now, we're gonna go do some POTA. So that's it. That's where I'm at, helping Chris from Buddy Pole move. He's moving from the Portland area to the Salt Lake City area. And we're gonna record some videos about that adventure this week. So follow along, do some separate videos on the channel outside of this series. But I've still got the radio beaconing, APRS. I'm gonna shut it off for the night here in just a minute. It's pretty accurate on the map right now, but you won't be able to get in here at night anyway. You're gonna have to come find me either sometime tomorrow on Tuesday or sometime on Wednesday. Maybe when we do POTA on Wednesday, I'll have it beaconing then. And I'm gonna charge up the battery tonight and go from there. So I hope one of you comes and finds it very soon. Thank you for watching, following along. Put a comment below, let me know you're there.